Hi everybody, thanks for joining me again. So we're working on another page of the Altered Book Junk Journal, which I'm creating for an ingoing middle school student. And the theme of this page is Relax Babe. My inspiration for this page was from a calendar that I got a long while back actually at Hobby Lobby, and it was on clearance. And if you've watched my other videos on this particular project, you know how much I have used this little calendar, and it's just been wonderful. So at any rate, yes, that was my inspiration for this particular page. One thing about the little calendar versus the shape of the book is they're not the same size and same shape. The calendar's quite a bit wider than the book, so you'll notice that I'm doing a lot of cutting and then placing the pieces where I think they would look good. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm working on creating a little side pocket. This calendar page has part of a bicycle on it, and I had remembered that a long time ago, one of my first trips to the thrift store, I bought this card, and it has a bicycle on it. It's actually a happy birthday card, but I will be repurposing it and using it for this page. So I feel so fortunate that the calendar page happened to have part of a bicycle on it, and then I get to use this card. So it's a good use of something that may have ended up in the trash if nobody else had purchased it. So I've got most of my pieces cut out that I'd like to start with, and I'm just going to go ahead and adhere them on. And as usual, I'm using my tacky glue because this works really well. A lot of people that I watch on YouTube use something called art glitter glue. I have not tried that, but my curiosity has been piqued because people seem to like that a lot also. So when I have an opportunity, I may go ahead and get some. Of course, I'll have to wait until our staying inside is lifted and whatnot, but I think that is something I definitely want to try. Now I'm creating some journaling tucks, and I'm using a colored index card, and I am reinforcing the corner of it with a little piece of tape, and then I will use my hole punch and punch a hole through it. The tape will just keep it from tearing in the future. So I like to do that. Little reinforcement's good. And now I'm going to choose some ribbon that I'd like to thread through there. And I put the ribbon on just to make the journaling card more noticeable and also easier for somebody to just grab the ribbon and pull it out of its little tuck spot. I just feel like sometimes that makes it a little bit easier. Plus it also adds some texture. I'm really into that. I like things to have texture and a 3D effect. Now I'm adding a few pieces of chipboard, just as decoration of course, and I know that chipboard comes with an adhesive already on the back, but I like to add some glue just because for the long haul, I just think it's nice to add a little bit of glue just so they don't pop off the paper in the future. So here's a super easy journaling spot. I bought these little cards a while back, and they're empty inside. They're actually place card holders, and I got them on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and they were probably like in the wedding section. Anyway, they're blank, so they fit right inside of these cute little envelopes with the girl on them, like Sassy Girl or whatever. Anyway, they slide right in there, and so it's done. It's quick and easy. As you can see, I'm outlining some of the decorative paper that I put on the page, and I do that just because it makes it pop. I hope you like this page, and if you do, smash that like button. If you haven't already, I hope you will subscribe to my page too. In the description box, I will put links to my other videos on this project, and I will put links to some of the items that I used. Also, follow me on Instagram. This is the Relax Babe page, and we have a little journaling tuck here inside this envelope. Just take it out, open it up, and journal inside, and then put it right back in the envelope. And then that gets tucked right here. Then over here we have another tuck with a little ribbon on it so it's easy to spot. I might put a few more tucks in that pocket. There's plenty of room, so I'll probably will do that. Thanks for watching. See you soon.